Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Elena. In today's video, we're going to be doing a review on the new Juvia's Place Stick Foundation, which I'm really excited to try out. As you guys know, I have already tried their previous foundation that they came out with, and I loved it. It was extremely full coverage, so I really want to see how this stick foundation compares to that one. So yeah, we're going to be using two different ones, one for foundation and one for contour. So I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on the overall product. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join the fam, and turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time your girl posts a video. And don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up so I know you guys are enjoying these reviews. I love you guys so much, and let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial.
I just been balling out every season. No excuses, I left in the bleachers. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a four inside.
So we're going to be testing out the new Juvia's Place stick foundations. I did pick up two, one to contour and one for foundation. So I'm really excited to see how this one compares to their liquid foundation. I used to love stick foundations. I can't even remember the last time I wore one. So I really am excited to see how this one is going to look on the skin. I hope it's flawless. I hope it's full coverage. And I hope it has your girl face looking beat. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so this is the packaging for the new Juvia's Place foundation. I'm honestly here for this teal and orange moment. I think it is so cute. And this just says this is their new shade sticks, and it's their multi-purpose foundation stick. On the side, it does says this can be used for contouring, concealing, and correcting. It is formulated to feel like skin. Our shade stick is a weightless multi-purpose formula that glides on seamlessly to cover imperfections while giving full dimension to the face. This full coverage formula is infused with shea butter and oil controlling ingredients to aid in a long wear time for providing radiance to the skin. So that actually sounds really good, and I'm really excited to see how it meets up with those claims. And yeah, I got this in the shade Guinea. And here is the actual packaging of the foundation stick. So it is in a more chunkier tube. And when you open it up, this is how much product you get inside, which I think is a decent amount for the price you're paying. It does retail for $16. So I think that is pretty much a good amount of product. So I did go ahead and prime my face off camera. I did use the Melt Makeup Gripping Primer and the Fourth Ray Beauty Watermelon Face Melt. I use this combo all the time underneath all of my foundations, and it just helps my face look very radiant and hydrated underneath my foundation, which I love, and that is my all-time favorite combo. So let's go ahead and get this on our face, honey. Let's see what she is talking about. So I did swatch this in Ulta, so hopefully it's a good match. So I don't really know how much I should put on, but I'm just gonna put a decent amount on my face. So right off the bat, I can tell while applying it, it is really creamy. It does not take anything for me to just swipe this over my face, so that's really nice. So hopefully that means it's going to blend out really nicely. So I got all of the product on my face, and I'm going to blend it out with a foundation brush. I just feel like a foundation brush gives you the most coverage when using a foundation stick, so that's what I like to use. But I'm going to be using the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill brush, and this is their JH03 foundation brush. And we're just going to use a stiffling motion all over the face so we can keep that coverage. So far it is blending really nicely. I'm not having any problem. It's not picking up the product off of my face. It is just blending right into the skin. It's a very creamy texture, which I like, and as you can see, we're definitely getting a little bit of radiance peeking through there. So I can definitely say this is definitely a foundation that has a radiance and hydration to it. So I'm not really sure how this would work on somebody with oily skin. I do have dry skin, so I do prefer having a very hydrating foundation. Right off the bat, I can definitely tell this is not as full coverage as the previous foundation they came out with, but it still is giving me that coverage. It's just not as full, because that first foundation they came out with was definitely extreme full coverage. Like it was going to cover up anything, like almost like a mask on your face. This one is a little bit more natural and more wearable, I would say. I definitely could see this formula being more buildable as well. So now I'm going to go in with the other foundation stick that I picked up. This is in the shade Zambia, and I'm going to use this to cream contour. Now, I don't normally cream contour like that all the time. It definitely has to be a very special occasion, but I figure since this is a stick foundation, most likely people are going to either use it for foundation or for contouring their face. So I figured I'll pick up a shade to contour my face out so we can see how it works as a contour as well. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. Apply it under here so we can cut that chin and get rid of that double chin action going on under there, honey. We do not want none of that. And should I do my nose? I don't normally do. I only do my nose with powder, but just for the sake of the video, we will contour our nose just like that. I will apply just a little bit up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go in with a beauty blender to blend out that contour. I want to see if it's going to blend out as easily as the foundation did. It was very creamy, so hopefully it won't give us a hard time blending out the contour stick, because I personally like a contour stick that is more creamy and really easy to work with. So let's go ahead and blend her out. Okay. That literally just blended out with no effort at all. I mean, literally none. So I'm gonna blend down here. Okay, so far that is blending so nicely as a contour stick. Oh my gosh, like literally takes no effort to blend it out whatsoever, which is great, because who wants to sit here and blend a contour stick for forever? I know I don't, honey. When I be trying to do my makeup, I'll be trying to get it on as fast as possible in a decent amount of time, because I'm already be taking too long. So I do not have time to be sitting here and blending for 30 minutes. I mean, look at how easy that was to blend out. I mean, zero effort was made. Beautiful. So let me go ahead and get to going on this nose. Like, look how easy that was. Like, what? So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup off camera, and then I'm gonna get on so you guys can see the finished look with all of my powders and everything on top of the foundation and the contour stick. And I will give you guys my final thoughts and everything on the new Juvia's Place Stick Foundation. So I'm back and I have did all of my makeup off camera, and I've set the foundation stick and the contour. And personally, I think it looks beautiful. It still has that sheen and that radiance peeking through, which I love because I have dry skin. So I definitely want my skin to look healthy and hydrated. I don't really know how this product would work for anybody with oily skin, just because it does have more of a hydrating and radiance peeking through for this foundation. So that can either be really good or it can be really wrong for someone with oily skin. So I would say if you do have oily skin and you want to try this product out, definitely make sure to use maybe a mattifying primer underneath, as well as use your powders to set this in the best way possible, just so you can make sure that it lasts throughout the day. As far as using this as a contour stick, I love this as using this as a contour stick. I think it was so easy to blend out, which is most of the time a problem with contouring sticks, and why I normally don't use cream products sometimes, because sometimes they take a little bit more to blend out. But this product, since it's so creamy and hydrating, it blended out with no effort at all, which I love. I think it looks very natural. It blended in really nicely, and I think I am obsessed with this. And I definitely see myself adding this product to my makeup routine. So I love it. I think it's at a great price point. It is at $16, which I think is very affordable for a foundation stick. And I think Juvia's Place did a really good job on the overall shade range for the the foundation sticks as well. So yeah, I love it. Definitely let me know in the comments below if you guys are going to pick it up, or what is your favorite foundation stick that you have used before or you're currently using. I love to chat it up with you guys in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video, and give this video a huge thumbs up so I know you guys enjoy these reviews. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the love and support you show me on all my videos, and I will see you in my next one.